Okay, now we're going to look at the long I words, and we're going to spell it and read it. I'm going to need your help with spelling it and reading it. Our first word is F-I-N-E, fine. Read the word, fine. T-I-M-E, time. The long I is spelled I, consonant E. Now you read the word, time. D-R-Y. The Y is the long I in the word dry. Now you read the word, dry. S-H-Y, shy. The Y is the long I in the word shy. Now you read the word, shy. F-L-Y, fly. The Y is the long I in the word fly. Now you read the word, fly. M-I-C-E, mice. Now you read the word, mice. B-Y, buy. Now you read the word, buy. The long I is spelled with the letter Y. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. Quiet. The long I is spelled I, consonant E. T-I-R-E-D, tired. It is spelled with I blank E, tired. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. The long I is spelled with Y. Now you read the word, crying. Now you're going to take the words we just finished blending and you're going to do the activity on page 87. This is what your worksheet will look like. It is Unit 8, Lesson 8, and you will complete the numbers 1 through 8. On this side, you're going to put all the words from our spelling word list spelled with I blank E beside the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. All the words spelled long I spelled with a Y will go beside the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your challenge words will be written below the numbers 4 and 8. Your words are fine, time, dry, shy, fly, mice, buy, quiet, tired, and crying. Again, you're going to sort these words out by the sound spelling. Pay attention to what you're doing, use your best handwriting, and you'll do a great job.